Elite School Al Miraj campus, ninth class. Today we are learning from land and environment. Physical features of land. Physical features of land means what kind of land is in Pakistan and how much features of it. The first feature of the land is mountain area. You can see in this picture rocky, steepy surface that is not even. It is called mountains. The first feature of the land is mountain ranges. The high piece of land that has rocky, uneven, and steepy surface is called mountains. Mountains are of three types: northern mountain ranges, central mountain ranges, western mountain ranges. In northern ranges को Karakoram को Himalayas range and the highest peaks, the highest peak K2 and Nanga Parbat are also located in these peak ranges. Above all, Valley Kashmir is also located here. Valley Hunza, Gilgit are also part of these mountain ranges. These mountain ranges separates from in Pakistan and China. Also, Karakoram Silk Route is also important for the trade. Khajuraho Pass is also located in this range. Northwestern mountain range that is included Kohe Hindu Kush range and Turchmir is the highest peak of it, and that these two ranges, northern ranges and more northern mountain ranges and northwestern mountain ranges are covered with highest peaks, glaciers that are covered all the time with snow, and there are different kinds of valleys, beautiful valleys are located here. In northwestern mountain range there is Chitral, Swat and Deers valleys located. Western mountain ranges included Kohe Safed, Waziristan hills, Kohe Salmans, Kohe Kirthars and Salt range. These are located in the western mountain ranges. In Kohe Salmans there is Takht-e Salmans, that is the highest peaks. In Waziristan's hills there are Tuba Kakad's mountain ranges, and these are important for the trade. Tochi and Gomal Pass and rivers, these are also located in Waziristan's hills. In Salt range you can see Kirthar's height is 2150 meter, and River Hub and Liari are also these flow from in Kirthar's hills. Salt range that is located near the east of River Jhelum, and Salt range height is 700 meters. Saxar is the important place of it. River Son is also the important river of Salt range. The second part of this, the feature of the land is plain area. Plain area is less steepy and comparatively even surface, has even surface, and it has fertile land. There are two types of lands in Upper Indus Plain and Lower Indus Plain. Upper Indus Plain extends from south of Pothohar Plateau, and its rivers are Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, and Satluj, and it is very cultivated land. We can see here the cultivated crops here, all the our agriculture depends on this area, and it spreads in the province Punjab and also in Sindh. And there are other rivers, that is Jhelum, Chenab, Satluj, Indus and Ravi. That's why its name is called Punjab. It River Indus is the largest river of Pakistan. It is comparatively even area, and it is made with the cultivated soil of the rivers, and we can also compensate the deficiency of water with wells and canal waters. And there is a third desert is also here. There is also delta here in this region, and the other one, that is other part of this plain area, that is coastal plain, that is 1050 kilometer long, and this is also spread to India and Iran. And there are two important seaports in this region, that is Port Qasim and Gwadar and Pisni. These are also important for fishing, and we can see that this beach area and coastal area plays important role in the economic activities, and we earn a huge amount of economy from this coastal area. The other form of the plain areas, the desert, although it is a dry land having the deficiency of water. In these areas, Bahawalpur, Sakkar, Khairpur, Sangar, Mirpur Khas and Tharpakar, these districts are also have some parts of desert area. Cholistan is also located here. Cholistan, the other name of the Cholistan is Rohi or Thar. There are that is unpopulated area of Pakistan. The other desert of the Pakistan is Thal Desert. That is also located in between River Jhelum and Indus River. That is also unlocated. River Desert Kharan is also in this region. Chagis area is also in this part. The third part of this region, plateau area, is have two parts. First is Potwar Plateau and the second is Balochistan Plateau. In Potwar Plateau, there are Kalachitar, Marglas Hills, Koistani Namak, River Jhelum, and River Indus. In the west of this Potwar Plateau flow, its height is 300 to 600 meter, and the important river of this plateau is Swan, and Valley Swan is also here. Its surface is very uneven and torn. The second plateau is Balochistan Plateau. That is in Balochistan Plateau, Koi Salman and Kirthars Hills located. Its height is 900 meter, and its surface is uneven and barren, and there is lack of rainfall here. It has the features like desert. Chagis Hills and Uba Kakad's mountain range hills are also located here. In Balochistan Plateau, there are many salt lakes, and in these salt lakes, the popular lake is Lake Hamun Mashkil. River Gomal, Sob and Hangor flows also in Balochistan Plateau. So you have to individually learn all the parts of all the features of the land. What is mountain, what is plateau, what is plain, how many parts of the plains, how many parts of the land, where is Potwar plateau located, where is Balochistan plateau located. So each and every minor detail of every part you have to learn. Thank you.